Most business owners don't know what to expect from Google Ads. So let me show you 3 real examples of accounts I managed, including one that went from $500 a month in ad spend to $15,000. First, let's look at online e-commerce. One store selling products in the toys and games category is spending about $10 for each new customer. To put that into perspective, many businesses pay closer to $70 for a new customer in Google Ads. So $10 is a strong start for this young account. Even better, for every dollar they spend, they make $4 back. That's what's called a 4.0 return on ad spend. And it's a profitable system that we should be able to keep scaling to grow their customers. Now let's switch to local services. A med spa client I've worked with for more than 8 years started at just $500 a month when they were a brand new business. As results came in, we scaled gradually. Today, they're investing more than $10,000 a month across multiple ad platforms. And that growth played a big role in them eventually selling the company in a multi-million-dollar deal. Google Ads was a major driver of the success that led to that exit. And finally, a lawyer in New York City that I just started working with in recent months, who was just warming up with a budget of $1,500 for the month. After some much needed landing page improvements, we've been able to get consistent early results, averaging a lead every other day at $100 cost per lead. This is pretty typical for the startup of a new campaign at a modest budget, and I expect with more time and budget increases, they'll probably be able to get 3 to 4 leads per day and bring the cost down to under $100 per lead. Considering that one new client is typically worth $5,000 to $10,000 in revenue, that's a pretty powerful growth engine for this client. Google Ads doesn't work for every business, but for many, it can be a huge driver of growth. If you haven't tried it yet, or if you're not sure you're managing it properly, you might be missing out. If you'd like to see what Google Ads could do for you when properly managed, check the link in the description for more information about working with me. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by my pricing too.